Life hack, or life hacking, is any trick, shortcut, skill, or novelty method that increases productivity and efficiency in all walks of life. Forget slow double clicks. Press F2 on a PC and enter /return on a Mac to immediately rename a file. Accidentally close a tab in your internet browser? Press Ctrl+Shift+T to reopen it. You can go on namecheck.com to see every website where your username has been used. Can't afford Microsoft Word? Get OpenOffice. It's the same thing except it's free and has a lot more features. Cleaning out your Windows computer? Search size gigantic and it'll display all the files on your computer greater than 128 MB. Tired of getting bombarded with spam? Keep 2 email accounts with different passwords, so that one of these can be used exclusively for registering online accounts. This will prevent a ton of spam from hitting your inbox and your main account from being hacked. Before going to a suspicious site, Google Safe Browsing website to see a 90-day history of malware attempts on its visitors. You can search month, year in Wikipedia to give you all the major world news for that month. On AccountKiller.com you can instantly remove all of your personal data from websites you don't want having it. By charging your laptop battery only up to 80% instead of 100%, you can greatly extend the usable lifespan of the battery. Can't read the text on a website? Press Ctrl+ to zoom in on a PC and Command+ to zoom in on a Mac. When writing an email, make sure the last thing you do is put in the recipient's email. This will help you avoid sending an unfinished email. iOS 7 has a built-in horizontal and vertical leveler. Open the compass and swipe to the left to access it. The Fast Customer app will never make you wait on hold again. It calls the company for you, waits on hold, and then calls you when an actual human is on the line. You can use Google Search as a timer by typing in, set timer for, followed by the number of minutes or hours you'd like Google to start counting down from. Do you remember everything in your search term except for one word? Use an asterisk in its place and Google Search will fill in the blank for you. Rather than sift through your local airport's website, simply type in the airline and flight number into Google Search to get all the important information you need. Turn the Google Search page into pirate slang by typing in, Google Pirate, and clicking the I'm feeling lucky button. Settings will now be referred to as me likes and dislikes. Want search results from one specific website? Type in your search term followed by site and then the site you want the results from. Don't bother getting out your calculator, you can simply type what you want converted like 20 euros to dollars or 8 meters to feet right into Google for an instant answer. You can narrow your search to specific date ranges by typing in your search term and using dates between inverted commas the dates you want. For example, if you were searching for popular music during the mid to late 2000s, you could type in Best Albums 2004. Want to play Pac-Man? Go straight into the game by typing Google Pac-Man and clicking the I'm feeling lucky button. Having something shipped to you? Don't bother going to a confusing shipping website. Simply type your package number into Google to take you straight to the tracking page. Instantly translate between any language by typing in Translate, then your search term, followed by the language you want it translated to. Instead of hitting backspace multiple times to correct misspelled words, erase the whole word by pressing Ctrl+Backspace. Instead of using the Ctrl+Alt+Delete function, to go to the task manager in Windows, press Ctrl+Shift+Escape to open it up right away. Forgot your computer password? Boot up in safe mode, F8 during startup, log in as the administrator, and then change your password. If you want to take an Instagram photo and save it to your phone without posting it, switch your phone to airplane mode.